Get it out.
Nice, still struggling.
Let's see.
On this challenge, Bob is moving on to the final.
God can't see.
Stop. He's trying to get his tooth out.
I need like a clock
You need what?
with that.
Here.
Oh, good.
Yeah, your teeth bleed a little when they come out.
Ready? Try to struggle.
Why don't you dry your fingers off and use your fingers? Dry them off. It's almost out, isn't it? Let me see.
Bob, show your
It's almost out.
as you can go in this game. The power in this game now.
I bet she's getting close. Tooth Fairy must be getting close to our house, huh?
You had a hand, either directly or indirectly, in voting out of this game. Now hold your fate.
Stop, guys.
I'll see you tomorrow night
Oh.
for your final.
It's okay.
Did it come out?
Back to camp. Good night.
Almost?
It does it.
It's almost out. It's almost out, Dad.
You feel?
Did it pop?
I've learned more about myself.
Don't do it, Dad. Let him do it. Did it pop? What did it do? It's hanging? It means it's almost done.
Get it, bud.
You can use the rag if you want to.
It's a bud.
It's okay. It's exciting. You've almost got it.
Berries are coming.
Yay. It's almost out. Come on, one more time. Try and get it. Don't cry. Tooth Fairy's gonna come see you.
You better think about that dollar you're gonna get.
$1? I used to only get quarters.
I got $1 too, Richie.
Why does he get $1?
That's what the Tooth Fairy carries nowadays.
$1?
She don't believe in
Daddy.
change no more.
Give me money.
Yank it. There it just goes. Do it. Pull it. Pull it. Pull
You
it.
got it! Oh! Show it to me!
Cool. Let me see what it looks
Let him
like.
see it.
Oh man, that is cool. Why don't you go get you some, go to the bathroom and put some water
Uh-oh, did you
in
drop
your
it?
hand. Let me see it. Let me hold it.
You go wash your mouth out with some water. Give me a big smile. All right. Good job.